Cowboy, Cowboy Cooking, B Mac and Gary. We're back the next morning. We're still out here at the Cuero Turkey Fest. We're going to, we got Joe Adams back here making peach biscuits. So say hi to Joe Adams. Uh, and we're going to, Gary and I, we're going to make peach enchiladas. Peach enchiladas. World famous dish. And we're going to make it world famous right here.
The theme this morning is peaches.
Peach biscuits. Peach biscuits, peach enchiladas.
Well, all you can do is peaches. Get it.
I don't think we want to put it on a brisket. Anyway, this guy's reason we're showing this. This is a simple recipe. You got to do it. It's too easy not to. And this is all it is: flour tortillas, butter, peaches. We're going to do a few, and then we're going to finish it. We're going to do a few for y'all, and then we'll finish it up. Put as many peaches as you can on a flour tortilla, 2 or 3. Add what you want. We like to add some cinnamon sugar.
It's a combination cinnamon sugar.
And roll it up.
Oh, man, that was hard.
Yeah.
That was rough.
Wasn't that difficult? Let's do it again. Butter. Peaches. Cinnamon and sugar. And once we get these rolled up, we're going to add a few more to the top. It's good too. We might show you it's good once we get these all ready and set in here. We're going to do about 10 of them or 12 of them, whatever fit in here. Then we like to add a little bit of this peach juice over the top of them. And then we're going to go to the fire.
You might add some more cinnamon sugar too.
Whatever you got. And then whatever floats your boat, put it in here. So when we finish this, we'll show you the finished product, and then we'll go to the fire. So we'll be back. Hey guys, we got them in here. We were talking too, and I think we got butter. Try some cream cheese. Try whatever you think will be good. And you can see we've done it 2 different ways. Gary actually folded his in, where I just did them and folded them around. But this is the final product. We got the butter on. Excuse the wind.
We got the wind going.
And we're going to put in some more cinnamon sugar, and we're going to add some of the juice from the cans of the pepper. Peaches. Did I say peppers? Peaches.
It just makes it more gooder. You don't have to do this.
But I think it helps from the bottom ones from burning. Add some more. And we'll add some more butter to this, and then we'll see you guys by the fire. Okay. All right, let's get these to the coals. Our peach enchiladas. I failed to mention, I'm using my 12-inch Dutch oven again. It's the bread oven. It's the shallow one. And we've got about 10 or 12 in here. And so I put them on, and now we're going to set some on top, as you guys know. And we'll check you out when we're finished. Looking good, folks. A few more minutes. Thanks. All right. Peach enchiladas are done. Let's see how they turned out. Folks, that's what they're supposed to look like. See if I can get one out for you. Put it on a plate. Grab some of this juice. Pour it over it. Guys, you can put some Ready Whip, whipping cream, whatever you want on this thing. But do it the way you want to. Whatever you like, try it. But try this. It's too easy not to. You saw how easy it was. And I'll see you next time. And as I always like to say, you guys keep the party going.